We're here in Pottsville, the home of Yuengling Brewery, which, as many of you know, is my favorite. Along with all this food, we've got 30 minutes to finish the food and a 12-ounce Yuengling. So, Mike, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get this challenge started. Go to school and do something else other than computers or something. But that kielbasi, the pierogies, the bread, I don't know about the cheese, but delicious.
That comes from a cow.
Happy cows, yes. All right, done with the soup. This isn't really my favorite part because that whole Skook sandwich was amazing, but let's get this beer down and get the win while Michael finishes up his. That entire sandwich, that soup, the whole challenge was just amazing. Don't really have a favorite part, just the whole sandwich was really good, and I love finishing off with the Yuengling beer. But the new record, first person to win the challenge, 18 minutes and 6 seconds. So.